Hey, what's going on everyone? This is iReviews back with another video, and today I will share with you guys 12 amazing things that your iPhone can do that you probably didn't know about. Now, iPhones are packed with hidden features and tricks that I believe every iPhone user must know. Now, before we get into all that, I just want to ask you guys for a really quick favor. Most of you guys that watch my videos are currently not subscribed to the channel, so if you enjoy the videos and you want to see more of them, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. It really helps the channel a lot. Now, we're starting things off here with the Photos app. Now, if you go to Photo, you know that if there's a piece of text on the photo, you can actually copy it. But did you know that you can actually do that on videos as well? So here we have a video. What I can do here, if I just want to copy that text, just press and hold there on the text. It shows a menu. I can go ahead and select all if I want to select all the text on that video, or just go ahead and copy it directly from here, which is really cool. You have other options like looking up here, and everything here will be basically just like selecting text anywhere else. Now, on your iPhone, you have probably seen these dots right here at the dynamic island. So there are two types of dots. You will see a green dot and an orange dot. Well, those are indications that something is being used on your device. You can notice right here when I turn on the camera, it does actually show the green dot. That means that the camera is being used on my device. And if I go right here and try to send like a voice message, you can see now once we start recording, you will notice that it will show you the orange dot indicating that an app is actually using your microphone. Now, here's something really cool that you can do on your device. So you probably have done this before, where you type some text and you type something wrong, you shake your device to undo. Did you know that you can actually use that a lot more in a lot more places? Like on the home screen, if you actually move an icon, you can turn it back to its place by shaking to undo. Or if you delete something like right here, if I just go ahead and delete this video, I can go ahead and shake my device to undo. And you can see right here it says undo delete. Just like that, we get back the video we just deleted. Now on iOS, you probably know by now that you can take long screenshots of web pages. So if I go to Safari right here, I can take a screenshot, and from here just switch to full page and it will take the screenshot of the entire page. But did you know that you can also crop this? So if I take a screenshot of all the page, I probably don't need this right here, this part, so I only need this right here. Tap that little button. Now it shows you this interface that allows you to crop this long screenshot. Now it's still a long screenshot, as you can see, but it will be able to basically crop it at any like spot you want. So it's actually pretty useful. Talking about screenshots, you know that when you take a screenshot on iOS, it will just move down here, so you will get that small preview, but you can actually change that by going into the general settings. If you go right here on the screen capture, just tap right there, full screen previews, and now when you take a screenshot, it does show automatically the full screen preview for that screenshot, where you will have all your tools in the search section and the ask section. Everything will be right here. Now here's one really useful trick that I believe every iPhone user must know, especially if you use like voice messages on iMessage a lot. When you start recording a voice message by tapping and holding here, did you know that you can actually pause this and just come back later and continue it? So right here, if I release my finger, you can see it has paused right there, 3 seconds. But you can see where it says 3 seconds, it does have like a plus sign, that small plus sign. I can go ahead and tap there and then continue recording that voice message. It is actually super useful. So at any time you want to tap the stop button, you can send it as it is. You can play it here, or you can tap again there to start recording, like to continue that voice message, which in my opinion is a super useful feature. Now, when you want to set shuffle wallpapers on your device, you probably go to the lock screen and just go through all that process from the lock screen of creating a new wallpaper, a new lock screen. But you can quickly do that from the Photos app. just select multiple photos. Once you have selected multiple photos, you tap the share button, then it will give you the option right here. Instead of just showing you the option to set as wallpaper, you can now create shuffle wallpaper directly from here. And of course, once it goes to the screen, you will have here all the options where you can change the way you basically change between wallpapers and all that stuff. On the calculator app, if you have typed a number here and you're going backwards like this, you can actually just tap and hold this button to clear everything. Now this is a quick one. It is actually super useful. So if you're just deleting, you decide you want to delete everything, you just tap and hold and you're good to go. Now, when you go to your app store, you go to your account, you will have the updates for your apps right there. Now, of course, you will have a bunch of apps there for updates and apps that already have been updated. But did you know whether that app has been updated or is waiting for an update? If you decide you no longer need or want to have that app on your device, you can actually swipe like this to directly delete that app from the App Store section right here, so you no longer have it on your device. If you just want to delete apps, you can actually do that from here. You see an app you don't want anymore, you don't have to go looking for it on the home screen or the apps library. You can just do it directly from here. Now here's a really cool trick, something that you might need sometime. Whenever someone is calling you and you don't want to just basically get on that call, you can actually do a little trick which will show the call as failed. Not that you didn't answer, not that you hang up, you just go ahead and go to the control center, and while someone is calling you, you can just tap right there on the airplane mode, turn on airplane mode, and that will show the call as failed. Did you know that when you're taking a video with your iPhone, if you have media playing on your iPhone, you can allow your iPhone to actually record the video and still have that music playing in the background, which will of course be heard on the video as well. Now, if you want to do that, head on to your settings, go to the camera settings, and then right here under record sound, you can go ahead and just enable allow audio playback. This button right here, you enable it and it allows the audio to play while you're recording a video. And last but not least, you can do a lot from the Spotlight search on your device. Like here, I'm on the Spotlight search. All I have done, I have typed this, meeting tomorrow, 5 p.m., and it will automatically suggest me to create an event for my calendar. It has already created it for me, and I can just go ahead and tap the add button, and as quick as that, add this meeting to my schedule, which is really cool. So that's basically it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and all these hidden features and tricks. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe for more, and I'll see you on the next one.